In your Health Watch, researchers have found that teens who smoke marijuana may be at an increased risk of depression. The study looked at 23,000 people, found that those who smoked pot during adolescence had a higher risk for depression, suicidal thoughts, or suicide attempts. However, there was no link when it comes to anxiety. Opponents of marijuana legalization are pointing to a recent study from the state health department highlighting concerns about underage marijuana use.
Watching out for you tonight, our Andy Cohen tells us what trends researchers are keeping an eye on.
Robin Elizabeth, Colorado is on par with the rest of the country when it comes to marijuana use by adolescents. Just about 1 in 5 teens reported using cannabis in the last 30 days. But what's unique about Colorado is that more young people here are dabbing or eating edibles to get high.
In its annual report on the health effects of marijuana legalization, the state health department noted that more teenagers are now choosing dabs and edibles to get high. The study authors also say that parents need to do a better job keeping their marijuana away from their kids. An estimated 23,000 households in Colorado aren't properly storing marijuana.
Before legalization, only 5 cases a year of kids 0 to 9 being exposed to marijuana products. Now that's up to 50.
Smart Approaches to Marijuana is a political advocacy group that's fighting against marijuana legalization. They believe this report should be a wake-up call to state lawmakers.
This is not going well. This is a real public health disaster, and it's time that our government stopped letting the industry do whatever it wants in our state.
Underage marijuana may contribute to a higher risk for mental health issues. Many studies have noticed a link between marijuana consumption and an increased number of people diagnosed with schizophrenia, depression, anxiety, and substance use disorders. The health department recommends using their data to create targeted education and prevention campaigns.
Also this week, the State Department of Revenue out with some new numbers reporting that 2018 was another record year for marijuana sales, more than $1.5 billion in transactions in 2018. That translated to around $266 million in taxes. Watching out for you, Andy Cohen, News 5.
Thanks, Andy.